Oh my God, what? I did not even spend that much. No. And that's exactly one reason why you need a student bank account, to avoid paying extra charges and high exchange rates. Minimal paperwork. Nobody wants to spend hours filling out forms, right? But with the student bank account, the process is usually streamlined. Less exchange rates. So if you're constantly transferring money from your home country to your host country, those fluctuating exchange rates can really add up too. But with a local student bank account, you can avoid paying that fees and keep some extra money in your pocket. Savings, savings, and savings. Most student bank accounts offer sweet deals like no monthly fees and higher interest rate. It's never too early to start building your credit. With a local student bank account, you can do that by using a credit card responsibly. And who knows, that might come handy while applying for a car loan or even a mortgage after graduation. Zero balance. As a student, you might not have a ton of cash. Thankfully, many student bank accounts offer zero balance requirements. And before you move forward, it's important to note that a lot of universities require you to have a local student bank account for the admission and tuition purposes. And do you know you can open your student bank account while sitting at home in just 5 minutes?
What? Where? How?
With University Living. For more details, check out the link in description. So there you have it, folks. And let's be real, who doesn't love those student perks? If you like this video and if you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such interesting content. This is Sanskriti signing off. See you all in the next video. Until then, happy banking.